This is the head of, yes, while you're doing it, this is the head of the corona for east of the Iran in the district, and he's the brother of one of the volunteers. And he is critically ill, but you see when he was taken critically ill, but now you see him, and I'll translate for you. Carry on, please. This is the Gans water, and you see the jar of Gans on top of life in the hospital. And this is the brother who's taking a video of his brother and telling him what to do. And you see him, he's holding the bottle of the head of corona. He says, I'm a corona positive patient. I'm 3 days drinking from this corona water from the Keshe Foundation that is given to me. And I'm drinking it. In these 3 days, I've been given, they're giving me chemicals too. My condition is good. I'm good. And I'm getting better every
چجوری
day.
میان این کارو میکنن؟ مثلا به چه شکل؟
How do they come to help you? I drink every day twice, and they wash my body, and they spray me with the gas water. And they sprayed on me, we spray my body with it. Till this forsaken virus leaves this nation and all will recover.